How to change your age on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To change your age on TikTok, launch a TikTok application and make sure to log in into your account. Over here, you need to navigate to your profile section and tap on the three horizontal line. Then head over and tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down to the very bottom and click on Report a Problem. Then click on Account and Profile. Select the option of Editing Profile. From here, you need to go ahead and select on Other. Then tap on Need More Help. After which, you will be redirected to the help desk of TikTok. Over here, go ahead and type in you want to change your age on TikTok. After you have entered it, you see that the TikTok help desk has replied. Now it has also mentioned that to change your age, you have to submit a request using a form. So go ahead and select on the highlighted this form. Now from here, go ahead and fill out this form. Select a topic, then select a category, enter your email address, your username, and additional details. You can also upload attachments such as screenshot. Then you have to tap on two of these boxes and click on the submit button. By this way, you'll be able to change your age on TikTok. And this is the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.